It's been 5 years since I bought this Rotimatic machine, and I thought I'd do a 5 year review. We use it on a daily basis, twice a day, lunch and dinner. Excuse me, in the background, I'm just eating my burrito. I'll be done very soon, though. Anyway, so we use it every day, like I said, for lunch and dinner. Make about 5 rotis, at a time. Me, my wife, and my daughter and son. Anyway, making 20 right now. It was full to begin with the flour and water and oil and stuff like that. So as we go along, I'll kind of keep updating you on what's going on. But this is, I believe, sped up 8 times. Sped up 8 times. And it's a 4-minute video. Actually, now that I think about it, it might be sped up 10 times because it took me about 40 minutes to make the rotis, and it's a 4-minute video. Anyway, it is sped up 8 to 10 times. So you can see that I don't have they have this thing called a roti basket, which when the rotis come out, they go into the basket, so you don't have to keep removing them. But with this tray that comes with it, 2 of them can sit on it. When the third one comes in, it tries to push the second one off. So I just remove 2 at a time. But I'm actually thinking about buying the basket. It's $35 on Amazon, so I might just buy it. And you can kind of see here, 10 are done. 10 rotis are made, and there's no error so far, knock on wood. And right when I say it, you will see in about a second there will be a water error. So 12 came out, and there you go. So it wanted me to fill water. I filled it up, and the process keeps going. But there's no there's no dough error, or none of the doughs were getting messed up. And I see a lot of those. I don't know why. You know what? Actually, I think my theory, in fact, is my machine is not connected to Wi-Fi. It's not connected to Rotimatic servers. It's not connected in any fashion, and after 15 rotis, it gave me a flour error, so I had to refill the flour. So basically, after 12 rotis, refill water. After 15, refill the flour. So one container of flour can make 15 rotis. So like I was saying, software, I'm probably running 5-year-old software. I don't know if they updated or not. I never checked. Don't care. If the machine is faster now and it makes rotis quicker, it doesn't matter. I don't care. It's doing the job for me, so I'm pretty happy with it. Would I recommend people buy it? Maybe not. There's no customer service.